Just arriving into Santo, our further stop in Vanuatu.
We're just coming into Luganville and we're anchoring out the front of the beachfront bar. It's the only area you can really anchor where it's sandy, shallow and not full of coral. So the preference is to be over Ori Island where you're protected from the wind, but it's a deep channel and live coral, so you really shouldn't anchor there. It's not a good spot, you damage it and it's just too deep. But anyway, heading in. We headed in to explore Luganville and to apply for some one-way entry permits for crew to join me on the return trip to Australia as Joe was flying home. Walking up to the road, we caught a taxi into town. Well, that was a taxi. Windows open. Oh! Once we were in town, Joe and I walked in the heat and humidity to the customs building to lodge the one-way entry forms. So this is the second customs office we've been to today. We started at the top of the hill and now we're down by the beach, by the wharf, and we've been told no, we've got to go to immigration now. So we're about to head off and do our third building, trying to get our staff, our crew cleared in.
And it's a bit warm.
And it's hot and sweaty. This is the customs building down at the wharf, and we would never have gone in here. There's a restricted area notice, do not enter, and knowing what the security in Australia is on these things, there's no way we would have walked in. Luckily we got dropped off. So now we're walking back up to try and find immigration. Office number 3, Immigration and Passport Services. I think we're in the right spot now. So thank you to Madeline from Waterfront. She's brought us over our emergency replacement autopilot controller. The wrong part accidentally got posted to us in Port Vila. So yes, so fantastic. So what happened was our button here got stuck down, and in me trying to open it, there's a data cable here that I tore. So it should just be a swap over replacement if all is good.
Hang on, I can't just get it down.
So pulled it out. Where's the cable gone? There it is. Fixed. That took 5 seconds.
So we'll be able to use it again.
Oh, I'll be able to press buttons.
I know, instead of having the... We'll get used to the buttons on the chart plotter. So
we can get used to it, but it's still crap.
Yeah.
This is so much easier. So many times we dialed the knob to zoom in and out and we just suddenly veered off course. So no, this is much nicer. So we've come in, it was a bit hot. Now the sun dipped and not as bad, but we have a resort to ourselves. This is unbelievable.
Oh, and it's nice.
Day 2 of trying to get crew clearance. So after 4 buildings yesterday and walking in the hot sun, we're heading back to the Customs Revenue Office to pay the bill, to then go back to immigration to try and seek approval for our crew that can't buy a ticket without the approval letter, but they want the tickets before they'll give the approval letter. So I don't know how this works, it's very circular, but the guys did manage luckily to get some flights booked. So what a circus, but oh well, day 2, see how we go today. Take 2. We've walked up the damn hill again, sweating like a dog. And see if we're successful on our second attempt. So our application's in. We were told to come back tomorrow to check and collect it. But as I pointed out to him, these need to be sent to our crew members in Australia. What's the point of that? I need it emailed, please, so I can forward the email. So they're now emailing it. It's almost like it's the first time it's ever been done. It's just a challenge of a process. Everything's in island time, eh? We haven't received our one-way permit for the guys to fly in, so we're off again to the immigration department. See what's happened. They've lost our stuff. So we've tendered from the boat up to here, about a mile. Joe's going to wait with the tender. Yeah, all good, thank you. Haven't got very far to go, thank you. No, don't need a taxi. And now off to go find immigration again. Third time's the charm. Or was this fourth? Third or fourth. And I got a funny feeling they're not open. You gotta be joking. This never ends. This is Saga. Count to 10. Try not to swear. Today is Thursday. It's the international flight day that comes in, so the office is now closed. Not that there's any notice of that. So, yep. Another taxi. Try again tomorrow. Was that temp 5 or 6? Unbelievable. Nothing ever gets done in a hurry around here. Ask me how I went.
How'd you go?
Today's Thursday. What happens on Thursdays?
What happens on Thursdays?
The international flight comes in. So the office is closed and there's no one there. That was for nothing. Let's go. You should have left. Well, I've just been into immigration again for the 4th time. It's the 7th building that I've had to enter to get these one-way passes. And today, please come back in this afternoon and we'll give you the piece of paper. So I've tried explaining yet again, I don't need a piece of paper. I need it in email because I need to send it to the people in Australia that need it. So hopefully they'll send it this afternoon. If not, we'll be trying again in a few days' time. We've been anchored here off of the beachfront bar in Santo for a few days now, and the other night I was standing up the front to have a look and spotted a wreck directly under our boat. I've had a quick snorkel yesterday and the chain wraps over the wreck. It's not too bad, but I'm going to throw a tank on and go down to free our anchor and video a bit of the wreck, so you got to watch out when you go to these places. There's a bit of crap on the bottom. Lying just to the side and front of the wreck were 2 very large mooring blocks. The boat must have sunk on its mooring and was just left there. Our anchor had been laid directly over the top and pulled back in, locking into the wreck.
So we're just coming into Petersen Bay. We're using our satellite because of the bommies. And there's a few ships.
After stopping overnight in Palakula Bay, we continued north to Petersen Lagoon. This area is poorly charted and much of it is marked as tidal on the charts. Our satellite, however, tells us there should be deep water inside the lagoon right up to Turtle Bay Resort at the northern end, an ideal place to celebrate Joanne's birthday.
Just gonna go around in between these bommies. I just think we've got satellite. I think it got down to 2.3 in total depth, so give me a tight squeeze. Yeah, not much depth there. There's reef, but it could be low reef. Yeah, they're not large high ones, but it's hard to tell. There's a ripple. Yeah, we should be alright. Alright, turn. Turn. Turn, Kern. Just turn. Boys, pass. Don't worry about the boy. Just watch these. Spin. Get the nose over. No, keep spinning. Get the nose over. Yep, now go this way. Just want to make sure the back was not getting him. You don't reckon this looks deep? That looks deep. Go that way. No, that looks shallow. It looks shallow. That way. Go this way, Chris.
We're off to lunch for the birthday girl.
My rider's arrived.
Here comes the taxi.
Shoes.
So Turtle Bay Resort's just right over the back there. Fine. Sure you're fine.
You're probably the wrong way. You're wrong way. Yeah, the branch is bending.
What, that giant one up there?
No, one behind you. Is that good?
I could do that.
Have a snooze now.
I could snooze it out. What's this?
Big swings.
Yeah, you don't want to fall out. That's it. Right, yeah, I don't want to get more of that. Oh, now that's comfortable. Well, we've just had our lunch at the resort here, and we didn't video much of the food because it came in pieces and waves.
Island time. Even at drinks, island time.
Someone to get one, someone to get another one. It was very hit and miss, but it was very nice. Everything was good.
It was really nice.
But it was slow, so yeah, not that we video food anyway, but that was Joanne's birthday lunch. pizza run. We've ordered by a messenger, so this is going to be interesting. See what we get. Hope he's a little bit quicker than lunchtime. Oh, it's getting shallower now. That's it. You're good. All right. Another birthday in the middle of nowhere.
Peter's didn't have the result. I know. We always need a result. Oh, he's putting his plate.
Please, can I have some more?
Can you have some more, sir? Another birthday done for you.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Yeah. Oh, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
What's your eyebrows?
Dirty lens.
There's too many bloody candles. Too many candles.
No boyfriend, so I on your 50th.
Oh. The germaphobe, so we can't.
You can't lick anything, Brent.
Wow.
You got to lick all the candles and dip them back in.
Don't lick anything, Brent.
All can be